Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin because we are breaking above a very, very important price level. I kind of want to give you my opinion on where I think we could be headed here in the short term. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Guys, we are trading above $28,200. We're trading at $28,429.92, up about 1% on the day. Bitcoin dominance increasing as we get closer and closer to this halving, trading at 51.07%. When we exclude stablecoins, we're sitting at 53.07% Bitcoin dominance level. Been calling for this for a while now, and it's happening in real time. The liquidity is moving out from the altcoins into Bitcoin. I expect this Bitcoin dominance level to get up to somewhere between 55, maybe even 60%, dare I say, by the time we get to the Bitcoin halving. But we are seeing the liquidity move out of the alts and into Bitcoin. And I'm going to say this once again. I think it's going to keep going. So, guys, what does it mean? What does it mean that we're trading above 28,200? Well, as of right now, not much yet. But I do want to say, if we get these daily candle closes above this key price level right here at 28,200, guys, we're going to have some bullish continuation. That would be breaking above a once support, now resistance level that we've been bouncing and testing off quite frequently. We will turn that into support if we can get some daily candle closes above it. And what I really like to see is a weekly candle close above it. And if we do start to see weekly candle closes above 28,200, then I'm going to expect a test to make a move up to the $32,700 price level, which is very, very exciting. We're getting closer to the Bitcoin halving. People's attention may be coming back to the crypto market soon. Time will tell. But as of right now, it is important. Something is actually interesting happening in the market. This move was basically started from a spoof, from a intern at a large crypto publication saying that the Bitcoin spot ETF for BlackRock was approved, even though it was not. And the word is that they had a 50x long on $50,000, and they made a bunch of money, even though it is not very ethically correct because they lied, and everyone believed it, and it created a buy wave into Bitcoin. And this move is kind of continuing right now. We did retrace significantly. You can see this huge wick. We came up to 30,000 at one point, but now we're back down to 28,200, but we're above 28,200. And that's the important thing that I want you guys to take away from this, because if we do get these weekly candle closes above 28,200, I believe we'll probably continue up to what I just said, about 32,700. What does that mean for Crocoin? If Bitcoin decides to increase to the upside, you can see that we're having a little bit of a red candle on Crocoin because the Bitcoin dominance is Bitcoin is just sucking up all the liquidity out of the market right now, and it's to be expected, and I expect it to continue to happen. But as of right now, if Bitcoin does make it to 32,700, I don't necessarily expect a large move to the upside, but I do expect a move at 5.5 cents. I don't think that we're going to be coming back into this range of trying to test 0.0689 cents or anything like that unless there's a large move. I'm talking a large move that's fast. But I don't think that that's going to happen just yet. I think we still are not completely out of the woods, guys. Not just yet. We have some more time leading up to this Bitcoin halving. It is about 6 to 8 months away from here. And I do expect 200 days, so give or take. But I do think that we still have more chop. Just because if we were to come up to 32,700 doesn't mean that we're just off to the races. I do think that there's a possibility that if we do come up to 32,700, that we could just chop around, come back down. This entire channel is in play in my mind, from 25,200 to 32,700, with a little dip of 21,600 still on the table in my mind. I do expect maybe one little last capitulation event. However, I will also say that the market is very, very quiet right now. Very, very quiet. Maybe not today because we're trading above 28,200, and we had this little news event of this whole debacle of the fake news coming out from Cointelegraph, but it's still quiet. It's still quiet. People are not ready to come back to the crypto space just yet. And that being said, I think that this news event will probably die off. I don't necessarily think that we'll reach this 32,700 right now, but I do think that it's on the table before the halvening, just like I think 21,600 is on the table before the halvening. But until then, time will tell. We need to be patient. Coin is probably going to make its way to 5.5 cents if we decide to make that move to 32,700. And if we don't make that move to 32,700, then we probably are going to chop around and continue to do this. And Bitcoin dominance is going to continue to increase. So the volatility on Coin will probably be relatively calm. Keep that in mind, guys. Be patient. Don't get shaken out. We're getting closer and closer to the tail end of this bear market, in my opinion. Yes, there could be ways where we trade sideways for an extended period of time based on macroeconomics, but what I'm seeing is relatively good. It's relatively good right now. But guys, if you stuck around this far, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, go follow me on Twitter at 333 Blacksea. I'm very, very active over there. I'm going to be doing giveaways more frequently. I'm really excited about that. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Go below this video or to our homepage, click the join button. You get access to our private Discord where we have NFT Alpha, trade signals, more of a one-on-one community with CryptoKip and I, as well as when we reach 100 members on the channel. We're going to be giving away $500 worth of Bitcoin to a different member every single month leading up to the Bitcoin halvening. Very, very excited to do that. I love giving back to you guys. It's a lot of fun. I love doing these giveaways. It's a great time. Love rewarding our loyal supporters. It's a lot of fun. But that's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.